I don't wanna. Not fair. What happened with that gamer? Okay, I'm running. Bye bye, guys. Where's the pictures of everyone? Why not me? Why not me? Yeah, I'm kind of not good. Look at me. Yeah, I wrote. Yes, finally. Like, I got $10. How do I get anything else? Yeah, and I'm playing Cat Destroyer, so am I a dog or something? I want to be a cat, not a dog. Someone knocked off everything. That's cool. I like it. I like destroying everything. Okay, I'm gonna destroy this. And see? Can I move the sea? If I can, I'll destroy this whole place. And because I want to escape outside. Wait, I'm upstairs. Maybe there's a sea. Like, can I punch? Now I can move my screen. Cat Destroyer is so fun. Yeah, so I destroyed this whole room. What? Okay, where's the stairs? This is the game. She has an animated face. Why don't die? I'm gonna destroy everything. What? I shouldn't have do this the whole time. I shouldn't have did this the whole time. So dumb. I don't like this face. It's horrifying. Teleport me back. Great. Downstairs? Yes, I'm gonna escape. What? There's a pool? A pool? You're a poo-poo. Woohoo. You're a poo-poo. Woohoo. I said poo-poo. Woohoo. Okay, you were a poo-poo then. Woohoo. I said poo-poo. Woohoo. Someone make my mom stop. I don't know since when did she... What? There's a rat?
¿Y remember cuando comenzaste?
Yeah, I remember when I started. Yeah. I remember when I had 34 subscribers. I don't know how, but... What's this? Brandon, can you play with me? I literally have nothing to do, and I'm trying to investigate. How do I escape? Did I escape? I escaped! Yes! Yes, I escaped. I hope I don't get, like, crashed or anything. I thought it was a pool. Wait, what happens if I touch this? If I go inside? I cannot get out. One escape. Está en otra persona isla.
Yes.
Look here. Look, I just want to pass.
to have?
Mira cuánto. First.
But that you need to waste all of your money.
How?
Or they spend the real money to get money and diamonds and everything.
But they bought everything. Yeah, we saw a funny thing.
Esto tiene basta la niña que
That's kind of cool.
wow, así como canta. Wow.
Okay.
Hay una más grande.
I call my mom. every single- Let's go all the way there. Wait, there's a slide on it.
¿Y por qué ella
I got jump, jump, jump. Bro, is it like a ladder or something? Like I'm sinking. Yeah, it's not Christmas. Why am I even like this? I should like get a different one. My video is gonna be so long. I have a lot of money. I'm so annoyed that she's always following.
Porque en un otro día, my name is Brando and I come from another side.
What?
I'm from the future.
Yeah, but your name is Brandon in 1980. What did you see in the future, bro?
I saw just a piece in my head.
What? That doesn't give any information about you
No, it's a
coming.
coconut in my head.
Yeah, but that doesn't even make any sense that you in the future. What did you even do in the future?
I only sit there before I got so many coconut juices.
He's lying. He's lying.
No.
My brother's mad at me for saying.
Daddy, you are the liar.
No, you're the liar. They did this. What? Why don't I get one? Hey, nice, not nice. They're rude. They doesn't even. This is fun. Yes! Open the door. I did it. Yes, I'm gonna show my family by doing that. Can I put it outside at least? Well, that's all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to watch my videos if you haven't already. Bye. Bye. Where is it?